Grizzly bears, also known as brown bears, are majestic creatures that roam the vast wilderness of North America. These powerful and iconic animals are known for their distinctive hump on their shoulders, which is actually a layer of extra muscle used for digging and climbing. The grizzly bear's coat is a mix of brown and gold, with a light-colored muzzle and a concave face. They can weigh between 136 to 680 pounds, making them one of the largest land-dwelling carnivores in North America. The grizzly bear's diet mainly consists of roots, berries, fish, and small mammals. However, they are opportunistic feeders and can eat larger prey like elk and moose. Their sharp claws and powerful jaws allow them to dismantle their prey with ease. Grizzly bears have an excellent sense of smell, which can detect food from miles away. This keen sense of smell, combined with their exceptional hearing and eyesight, makes them formidable predators in their environment. Grizzly bears are solitary animals, with males and females only coming together during mating season. Females give birth to 1 to 4 cubs, which they raise for 2 years before sending them off to fend for themselves. The grizzly bear's habitat is primarily in the western United States and Canada, particularly in the Rocky Mountains and the Pacific Northwest. They are also found in Alaska, where they are the state animal. Unfortunately, grizzly bears are threatened by habitat loss, human development, and poaching. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these magnificent creatures and their habitats. Grizzly bears play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. They help control the population of smaller animals, which in turn benefits the plants that those animals eat. They also help spread seeds throughout their territory by consuming berries and then defecating them elsewhere. In conclusion, the grizzly bear is a fascinating creature, known for its strength, intelligence, and role as a keystone species in North America's wilderness. By understanding and protecting these magnificent animals, we help ensure the preservation of our planet's biodiversity.